Hi you guys, welcome to the D.I.Y house. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification button on so you'll know every time I post the video. So let's get to it. Today the video is going to be about some old leggings that I turned into a crop top. If you don't have any old leggings, you also can just get some from Rainbow. They're rather cheap, between $7 to $10. So you guys, I need you to follow me on my Instagram, and also I need you to subscribe, you guys. So let's get right to the video. Bye. Mwah. Today, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how you can take some tights. You can get some tights that you already have, or you can go to the store and get tights for about $7, $8 at Rainbows. So what I'm going to show you how to do is to make a crop top out of these old tights. You have a couple of ways you can do it. You can basically take the scissors and go around like a U and come down, or either you can double them up like this and take this part and cut down like this, or if you don't want to make it be like a U, you can make it be like a V right there. It just depends on, because basically this is going to be your arms. So this is going to actually be the bottom of your shirt. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this. We're going to cut. I think it's much easier if you put them together instead of, doing it like this. I think it's much easier the other way. So I just made, see, just made like a circle for your neck. Okay, now this is gonna end up being a shirt, just like this. So this is the arms. If it's winter time, if you want to keep the arms long, that's fine. Or you also, what you can do is do the legs of the tights like this and try to make it come to at least your elbow. So basically this estimates on. So I cut off the legs, basically where your legs go, which was going to end up being your arms. It's going to be the bottom of the crop top, and this is going to be like this. So I will put the shirt on and show you how it looks. You can dress this up or you can dress it down. I will put some accessories on with it so you guys can see how it look. Okay, you guys, this is how the shirt turned out. If you want to, what you can do is you can fold this over and sew it down if you like, but it's really no need for all that. You can wear it off of the shoulder on each side if you like, or you can pull it up on each side. Now with this, you can dress this shirt up, you can dress this shirt down. Now, like if I was to wear this choker and these earrings, I would probably wear it with a pencil skirt, or either I wear it with a long flare out skirt, or you can remove your choker, or you can take these pearls off, and you can just wear it with some high-waisted jeans. So I just wanted to show you guys how it looked, how it turned out. Okay, or you can wear it with this choker if you want to make it look simple. You can wear it with this choker and these diamond earrings, and you can just wear this to like make it look more casual. You can wear this with your jeans. You can wear it like this and put your jeans on. Turns out cute.